Hi everybody, Alex Aplo here from Expert Forex, and today we're going to be looking at a free direction finding indicator that I'm extremely excited about. This indicator will point you in the direction that you should be trading, and if it doesn't, it will actually change its mind, as you can see on the screen, and readjust your direction. But what I like about it, it is simple, it is profitable, and it's so easy to use. When I found this indicator, I got the same feeling that I got when I found the $5,000 to $1 million EA. I just knew that it was something special, and on your screen you can see that I traded 5,000 to 1 million twice using that particular EA, and if you follow this link you can go and buy that particular EA. But I've got the same feeling about this, and that is why I'm going to be turning this indicator into a trading robot. I'm so sure that it will be an amazing success. The reason for that is that it makes small losses or even profits when it changes its mind about direction, but when it catches the direction, it makes massive profits. So I'm very positive about this particular indicator. Now let's go and have a look at how this indicator works. Okay, so let's have a look at this indicator in action. I'm very impressed by the fact that when it is battling to find the trend, it makes very, very small losses, but when it finds the trend, it makes really big profits. So if you had to look from here, you can see there it found the trend, the downward trend right over there on that candle, and look at the trend that it found, and then it said, okay, the trend's over, and then it said, okay, no, it might continue a bit. So there was almost a break-even situation there, and then it said, no, it's going to now change upwards, and up it went, and a little bit of a profit there, and then it went up, changed its mind again, and it changed its mind very quickly. That's what I like about this indicator. It corrects itself very quickly. And then look at this massive trend that it found. Now it's in a trend that, again, at the moment, it's found a nice trend. It's gone down. It said, okay, I'm a bit uncomfortable about what's going on here. I want to change my mind, and up it goes. And it's actually doing quite well in its changing of its mind. Now, the fact that when it identifies a direction, you'll find that it actually moves quite a lot. If you look at, there's a direction change, it moved quite well. There's a direction change, it moved quite well. There's a direction change, it moved, which makes it a fantastic setup indicator for scalping, because when you get one of these arrows, you can take this indicator seriously. It will move in the intended direction, maybe not on a continuous basis, but it will move enough to give you a nice profitable trade. If you're a swing trader, however, you could trade this quite comfortably, because if you look at the entry there, the exit there, the entry there, and we still don't know where the exit is going to be for this one. I'll just accelerate it a little bit more so you can see what's going on. And there you can see how it's still in the buy mode. It's decided that's the buy mode at the moment, and let's see what happens. And I'm just run it for a short while longer just to give you the idea. And I'm so impressed by this indicator, and there we are. It says now I'm selling. So you bought there, you got out there, nice profit. Same thing on the previous. Then it says, okay, I'm buying again, and then it changes its mind, but it doesn't cost a lot of money to change its mind, and there it catches that wonderful trend down. So the idea of Forex trading is to make small losses when you make them and make big profits when you make them, and this is what this indicator does. It allows you to get really big profits on trends and small losses when the trends change. We can watch it a little bit longer, and as I say, I'm so impressed by this. I'm actually going to turn this into an EA, and we're going to run this EA on a continuous basis, because there is no target or stop. You just, when the arrow occurs, you just change direction. Now you can see a change direction, then a change direction again, change direction. Not much. It actually made profits on a few of those changes. So it is very economical when it changes its mind. And here it made a buy decision on a red candle. Can you believe it? And then again changes its mind, changes again. These mind changes are just part of Forex trading, because you can't always be 100% correct. But what I like about it, when it changes mind, it doesn't cost a lot of money. But look at this trend that this one has just caught there, and that's what I'm saying. The negative trades or the small changes of decisions don't cost much money. But when you catch a trend like this one, as you can see right now, it's called a fantastic trend, and we're going to make a lot of money out of this particular trend. Now, please go and download this indicator, go and play with it. As I say, I am definitely going to turn this into a trading EA. I have worked out how these arrows occur. I have actually found the logic behind these arrows, and that is why I'll be able to write an EA that will trade. But look at this particular trend that it caught there. It's already almost 300 pips. It said, okay, the trend's over. Oh no, it's continuing. It's changed its mind. But again, as you can see by the arrows, the candles there, it didn't cost a lot of money to change its mind. And there it's off again. Now it's into a buy trend. And that's how trend made money. That buy trend that currently is making. So that's it. It's saying, okay, oops, I'm changing my mind again. And it's always making a profit when it changes its mind, or a tiny loss. And that's what I love about this indicator. It is what trading is all about. Have small losses and huge profits. Like as you can see there, that particular run was, let's just have a look at what it was. It was 260 pips. And even when it goes into these kind of little uneasy periods, when it's saying, oh, I'm not sure buy, I'm not sure sell, that kind of, it's making profits. You can see there, it's made a profit, there, it's broken even there, and so it's actually made a profit there. And so it's not costing any money to go into these sideways markets, but it is actually a trending indicator. It's trying to point itself in the direction of a trend. There you can see it's now pointing down. Let's see what it does pretty soon, if it continues. And there you are, there's caught a trend, and well, and it said, oh sorry, there was a false start, and it got out, and again it made a profit on that decision, and again there it made a profit on changing. So changing direction isn't costing much, but when you catch it, you really make a lot of money. So go down to our forum, download this indicator, play around with it, and hopefully I'll get an EA out that you can try pretty soon. I hope you found this indicator interesting, and please go and download it from our forum. The link will be in the description of the video or in the first comment of the video. From me, Alex Employee, cheerio.